All right, today I am going to show you how to adjust the color temperature on a Mac during night shift mode. Okay, so you have your computer on night shift mode. I'm going to go ahead and turn on night shift mode so you can see that. So I'm going to access night shift mode by going to the Launchpad and then going to System Preferences. All right, so once I am in System Preferences, okay, I am going to go to Display, and once in display, all right, I'm going to go to night shift. All right, I am in night shift right now, night shift mode. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on by doing it manually. And you see this tab right here at the bottom. Okay, I can switch it to slide it to the left for less warmth or to the right for more warmth, just like that. Do you see how that works right there? You can adjust the temperature, color temperature, by sliding this tab left or right. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.